Hey there, I'm Emmanuel with Funtown RV. I'm here in our large indoor showroom in Corsicana, Texas. Today we're going to be doing a walkthrough of the 280RTX by Wildwood. And up front, we're going to have our electric tongue jack, our dual propane tanks, and our battery disconnect for whenever we have this camper in storage. We're also going to have an additional outlet here if we want to connect our solar panels on the exterior of the camper. I do want to note that we already have the solar package on this unit here, and that's going to have our solar panels mounted at the back on top of the camper. We're also going to have a 15-foot long electric awning that has full LED lights on the interior of the awning. Super cool feature to have when you're out at the campsite. Our gas and electric water heater as well. This is going to be a 6-gallon water heater. We're also going to have our solid step stairs here as well, which do fold right up into the camper whenever we're not using them. We're going to have our fresh water connection with our low point freshwater drain as well. Right underneath it is going to be a second door to the garage area. This is going to be great for if you have guests on the outside of the camper having fun, to have direct access to our restroom, or if we have people that are sleeping in the back, they're going to have their own private access to their room as well. And back here, we're going to have our patio area where all the fun happens. We're also going to have a full zip-up screen door in the rear of this camper, separating us from our garage area in the back. And here we are inside of our 280RTX. Up front, you're going to see our love seat sofa for whenever we want to have a few people on the interior of our camper to hang out, to play cards, whatever it is. This allows for us to have more seating. This quickly turns into a queen size bed. Back from your adventures and you're ready to call it a night. Super easy setup on the bed here. We're also going to have our U-shaped dinette, which offers even more space. This table can be pulled out. This could be a lounging area, or we could drop this table down to become a bed as well. Here in the kitchen, we're going to have a garden style sink, which has covers as well that are going to allow us to have more counter space when we're not using the sink, as well as a 3-burner stove with our Greystone microwave and our Greystone vent. Some additional storage up above our stove as well as up above our sink. And here we're going to have our 12-volt fridge that's going to have plenty of room for our cool goods, for our snacks, whatever it may be that we're going to bring along on our journey. And here we're going to have our entertainment center, which down below is going to include a 5,000 BTU Furrion fireplace, which does emit plenty of heat. This is going to be all you need for those cold months whenever you're out camping. I guarantee you this will sweat you out if you want it to. We're also going to have our climate control right here, which does detach from the wall. And we're also going to have our TV backer for you to be able to install whichever TV fits your needs the best. We also have cable connection up here, an additional outlet, and we're also going to have our stereo system that controls the speakers on the interior of the camper as well as the exterior of the camper. Up above here, you're going to notice a 13.5 BTU AC conditioner that's going to be fully ducted throughout the camper, including the garage. And coming through here, we're going to have our pass-through restroom, which offers plenty of accessibility to our guests that are in our main living area here. Here we're going to have our shower that offers plenty of space for somebody even my size. I'm 6'2" and I fit fine in the shower here. We're also going to have our toilet and our vanity with additional storage space to the right of that and right below the sink as well, so plenty of space. Walking into the garage area here, you're going to notice these air vents up top on the right and on the left side of the camper. This is going to be for our fumes that might still be inside the camper. Here we're going to have our dinette in the back. This dinette does turn into a bed. This bed is very large. I would say it sleeps 2 to 3 people. We're also going to have some hookups down below for ratchet straps to secure our toys. We're also going to have our 30 amp plug connector right here, as well as city water connection, our black tank flush, and our black and gray tank port down below with color-coded levers. Thanks for joining us as we did the walkthrough of the Wildwood 280RTX Platinum Edition. Don't forget to like, follow, and share. And remember, the fun starts here. Guys, make sure to like, follow, and share. And remember, the fun starts here.